Hi, Lisa Mehta here with Usborne Books and More, here to show you Busy Trucks on the Go, written by Eric Odie, illustrated by Kent Collada. For those truck lovers out there, busy trucks on the go. Drivers honk to say hello. Busy trucks are on the go. Building bridges, fixing roads, lifting big and heavy loads. Town to town and here to there, busy trucks are everywhere. Here's a truck that's loud and big. Excavator loves to dig. Next is dump truck, large and strong. Watch him move that dirt along. That was our dog. Lovely. Concrete mixer roars and rumbles. See his drum? It turns and tumbles. Soon he opens up his spout. All the concrete rushes out. Trucks are pretty amazing. And there's the bulldozer, and the freight truck, tractor. Ooh, what truck goes here with this picture? Mail truck, school bus, fire engine, paramedics, garbage truck. My kids used to run to the window every week when the garbage truck would come. And the recycling truck that came on the same day here. Bus, street sweeper. I remember getting tickets in my car when I lived in San Francisco when I used to work at home, and I would forget the street sweeper would come. And good night. Busy trucks will say good night. So that's a preview. Thank you for watching.